Good afternoon, guys. This is the problem for charge law. A gas at 40 degrees Celsius occupies a volume of 2.32 liters. If the temperature is raised to 75 degrees Celsius, what will the new volume be if pressure is constant? The formula is V1 over T1 is equals to V2 over T2.
And I will solve the problem. V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. And the Celsius will be converted to Kelvin. Celsius convert to Kelvin. And that V1 is 2.32 liter over, and the 40.0 plus 273 Kelvin is 313 Kelvin equal to, and the V2 is unknown, equal, and the 75.0 Celsius will be plus 273 Kelvin, and will become 348 Kelvin. And the next formula is V2, to get to V2 equal V1 times T1, T2 over T1. And the V1 and multiply 348 Kelvin multiply 2.32 liter over 313 Kelvin will become the new volume is 258 liter. 2.88 liter. Thank you, guys.